I had a very positive experience. It exceeded my expectations. The reason that this was so successful in my eyes is because this was with the School of Science, because we were all scientists who have similar challenges and similar areas where things that we can learn from each other. And at the same time, it was also good to see people outside of my specific discipline to kind of gain different perspectives. Yeah. Also for me, the recruiting portion of the day was really valuable, because I am at this point where I am beginning to build a group and hire postdocs and grad students, and just learning trades that have worked for other people was kind of paradigm shifting for me. Very well organized, and I really liked the way that you set it up with no PowerPoint slides. Like, thank God there were no PowerPoints, but instead it was very kind of basic in, like, here are the things that we want you to get across, keeping the visualizations simple so that we can, I think, recall them easily. I think that I wasn't anticipating that there would be so much that was really relevant for me. And I also didn't expect that I would learn so much from my peers. I was expecting that this would be more of me sitting in a kind of traditional classroom setting and absorbing the information, but it was much more communicative, and I learned from not just the leaders, but from my peers. And I think that creating an environment where we could all learn from each other was beneficial for today, but also creates a community that we'll use in the future. And I think having the ability to hear what are the challenges that other people are facing, and what are little tidbits that we can all gain from each other, things that we might not have thought before, that was incredibly beneficial. Giving us activities, and then giving us time to reflect on those, either individually or with a partner, and coming back as a group, and then hearing your feedback on our experiences was a really well organized and highly functioning.